Start.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bilal Diaries. Finally I got Hoverboard now. We start the engine from here. We have the button here. This is the charging point.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
We can press both sides and it will be moving front and back. We can use this like a sensor, light sensor.
Can you on the lights using the sensor?
We can press this, it will be turned on. Headlight, wait. It's on. We have here two lights and headlight.
Can you show the other lights?
We have side also light, side of the tire. We have sensors. When we are going to crash, it will be taking reverse.
Can you show us the charger? Bilal, can you please show us the charging point and how to charge?
This is the charger. It will take 2 hours to charge. 36 volt charger. We can plug this in the straight point of the here. You can remove, shake and remove this both side. We have the lights here. It is full charge. It will be showing green. It is low. It will be showing red. We have the plug point here. It's like Indian point. We can change the LEDs, we can check the battery level and we can check the how much speed it's going. We can keep the speed limit also, we can keep light brightness also we can keep. We can check the tire also, it's proper, we can check full body checkup. We have 20 km/h speed, maximum limit. We can start in the app only, the Hoverboard.
Can you show me the app?
This is the Hoverboard. We can get in App Store also, Play Store also. We can start in that. We can get the last location in the Hoverboard.
What all can we do in the app?
We can change the LEDs.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
We have 2 hours to recharge the Hoverboard. We can use like 4 hours continuous. If you're not using continuously, you can use like 6 hours. We can bend it like this. We have one thing to catch this. To catch the Hoverboard. It's like 2 kg.